Thank you for attending a Pri-Med in-person meeting. Claiming credit for your attendance is done electronically, and your certificate will be available for printing at the conclusion of the online evaluation process. During your on-site check-in, you were provided a web URL that will lead you to the evaluation login page for the meeting. If you are unable to locate the URL, please call the Pri-Med support line at 877-477-4633 for assistance. To begin, you will first log in using the email address that was used to complete your registration and your badge ID, located on the badge used for scanning while on site. The badge ID can also be found in email communications confirming your registration for the Pri-Med meeting. Once the required login information has been entered, please click the Login button. Step 1 of the evaluation process is to confirm that the professional information on file is correct. This is important as it will indicate what type of credits will be earned for attendance. If the information is correct, you may proceed now. Otherwise, to update your information, select the Update Professional Info button and you will be prompted to enter your Pri-Med account password. For assistance with resetting your password, please call Pri-Med support or visit pri-med.com. Once the information is correct, proceed to Step 2. Step 2 will be to evaluate all the sessions of which you were in attendance for. To evaluate a session, you will see the schedule listed by the days you were in attendance. Select Show All to the right of the day to unveil a full list of the day's sessions. You must evaluate each session individually to be granted credit for attending the session. The session evaluation will consist of a series of questions. Complete the evaluation and click on Submit. You must be sure to complete each question. The session you evaluated will now be marked as completed. Follow this process for all the sessions you were in attendance for. Once you have completed all appropriate evaluations for each day of the meeting, you will proceed to Step 3. Now that you have evaluated the sessions, for Step 3 you will want to review each one and the credit hours you will be awarded. You must make sure that you check the box stating that you attest that you have attended the above sessions and requested these credit hours. You can revisit previous steps to complete any missed evaluations or update your information. To receive your certificate, select the type you would like. Once all steps are completed, select Save and Continue. Your certificate will be available immediately for printing and to save for your records. Please note that within 24 hours, the certificate can also be found within your Pri-Med account. You have now successfully completed the evaluation process and received your certificate. The evaluation process is available to be completed for up to 30 days after the meeting has concluded. Please be sure to complete the evaluation in full before the 30 days have elapsed. It is important to note that only the sessions on the days you attended and were scanned in for will be available for evaluation and credit. For further assistance, please contact Pri-Med support and a representative will be able to assist you.